whitu waroi kani kani tū. Tahi, rua, toru, wha. Let's sing some waiata. Lima, ono, whitu waroi kani kani tū. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malo Lele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now, we have 3 clues right beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you help us out with the clues?
Awesome. Thank you. All right, we're going to start right at the top here. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? That's right. It's a Christmas tree.
Clue tuarua, right here. What does that look like to you? Ooh, well done. A Christmas bauble.
All right, our final clue. Clue tuatoru is right here next to us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka whai, it's a Christmas star. That's all 3 clues. We have a Christmas tree, a Christmas bauble, and a Christmas star.
Ooh, I know what song we're going to sing. It's our Christmas waiata, Oh Christmas Tree.
That's the one. This is a very cute song where you're going to help us decorate our Christmas tree. Do you think you can do that?
So let's count to toru. We will click our fingers and we'll go have a sing along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. What have you got on your branches? What have you got on your branches? Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. What have you got on your branches? What have you got on your branches today? Oh, it's a Christmas star.
Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
It's a Christmas star.
Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
Oh, it's a Christmas star.
Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, Christmas star. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. What have you got on your branches? What have you got on your branches? Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. What have you got on your branches? What have you got on your branches today? Oh, they are Christmas lights.
Flash, flash, flash.
They are Christmas lights.
Flash, flash, flash.
Oh, they are Christmas lights.
Flash, 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 flash.
Flash, 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 Christmas lights. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. What have you got on your branches? What have you got on your branches? Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. What have you got on your branches? What have you got on your branches today? Oh, they are Christmas baubles.
Oh, so shiny.
They are Christmas baubles.
Oh, so shiny.
Oh, they are Christmas baubles.
Oh, so shiny.
Oh, so shiny Christmas baubles. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Look at your beautiful branches. Look at your beautiful branches. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Look at your beautiful branches. Look at your beautiful branches today.
Oh, so beautiful.
That was so much fun. Thank you for helping us decorate our Christmas tree.
It looks so beautiful.
All right, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember some of those kupu, some of the words that we learnt today. Which Christmas decoration made this sound? Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. It starts with the sound S. St. Star. Our Christmas star.
Which decoration went Flash, flash, flash. It starts with the sound L, li, lights. Christmas lights. Alright, our last Christmas decoration went like this. Oh, so shiny. It started with the letter B. Ball. Bauble, our Christmas bauble. Which decoration was your favourite? Nice. Alright, hey, thank you so much for helping us decorate our beautiful Christmas tree. We hope you had fun too. Shall we go and sing our goodbye song together? Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite anō, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey konei rā. Goodbye, hey konei rā.
Kia make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos.
Loopy Tunes!